Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the central angle when there is more than one shaded portion. So for example, I have a circle here. This circle was cut up into 6 pieces, and 2 of the pieces are shaded in. So think of this like a pizza. Your parents bought pizza. You and your siblings eat as much pizza as you possibly can, leaving 2 slices left over. So, these have been eaten and these 2 are left over. That's how you can think of it. So let's figure out the central angle of both of them together. Now, remember that all of the angles in a circle add up to 360 degrees. Now, there are 6 parts. So I'm going to start by finding out what the central angle would be for one part. To do that, I have to do 360 divided by 6. Now this one you might know off the top of your head. If you do, that is excellent. If not, that's okay. 6, we can't get it into 3. We can get it into 36 though, exactly 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. I subtract, I get 0. Then I bring down my second 0. 6 cannot go into 0, so we put a 0. That means that my answer to 36 divided by 6 is 60 degrees. So that means that each one of these pieces has a central angle of 60 degrees. But we don't want just one, we want 2. So what we have to do now is take our 60 degrees. Since there's 2 of them, we're going to add another 60 degrees. 60 plus 60 is 120 degrees. So that would be your answer. Let's try another one. Flip. Now I've got a circle that's broken into 8 pieces, and there are 3 pieces shaded in. So I'm going to start off by finding out what the central angle for one piece would be. To do that, I do 360 degrees divided by 8. So I cannot get 8 into 3, so I put 8, 0. I can get 8 into 36, 4 times. 8 times 4 gives me 32. I subtract 36, subtract 32, that gives me 4. Bring down that 0 and I get 40. Now I can get 8 into 40 exactly 5 times. So I put down my 5. That means 360 divided by 8 equals 45. So if I was asking you for the central angle of one of these pieces, 45 would be your answer. But I asked you for the central angle of all 3 of these pieces put together. So I've got to do 45 plus 45 plus 45. Can anyone think of a different way to do this? If you said multiply 45 by 3, then congratulations, you are very smart. 45 plus 45 plus 45, or 45 times 3 gives me 135 degrees, and that's your answer. Woohoo! Try the questions below.